Hey everyone! Want to permanently delete your Facebook page but not sure how? Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to delete Facebook page easily and safely. Step 1. Open Facebook and go to your page. First, open the Facebook app or visit facebook.com in your browser. Log into the account that manages the page. Now switch to the Facebook page you want to delete. Step 2. Open page settings. On your page, tap the profile picture or menu icon. Go to settings and privacy, then tap settings. Make sure you are in the page settings, not your personal account settings. Step 3. Go to access and controls. Scroll down and look for privacy or page settings. Tap access and control. This section contains options to manage or remove your page. Step 4. Select delete page. Tap deactivation and deletion. Choose delete page, then tap continue. Facebook will show you a summary of what happens after deletion. Step 5. Confirm page deletion. Tap delete page again to confirm. Enter your Facebook password if prompted. Once confirmed, your page will be scheduled for deletion. Important things to know: Facebook doesn't delete your page instantly. Your page is permanently deleted after about 14 days. During this time, the page won't be visible to others and you can still cancel the deletion. How to cancel deletion? If you change your mind, go back to your page settings within 14 days and tap cancel deletion to restore your page. And that's it. This is the official way to permanently delete a Facebook page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy Facebook and tech tutorials.